Recently, scientists published a groundbreaking discovery. They created a detailed map and 3D model of the Drosophila brain and found that it is very much more efficient than the best modern supercomputers. Now we know that fruit flies have specific brain regions responsible for controlling crawling, but just how complex must a nervous system be for an organism to crawl? The microscopic ciliate aspidisca. Our first encounter with it took place in the summer of 2023. We connected a modern digital camera to an old Soviet microscope. What we saw was astonishing. Bacteria floated across the screen, and on a clump of algae, something was crawling. A bug! But it was actually ciliate, which we later filmed from various angles. Here it is circling under a cover glass. Here it's crawling on algae like a cockroach. And here it's twitching its legs like an upside-down beetle. At first we thought that we had mistaken with the magnification and filmed a small insect, about 30 micrometers in size. But there are no such small insects. Therefore, we became curious about how this creature moves. To investigate, we used cameras capable of slow-motion recording at 400 frames per second. What I saw surprised me even more. The tiny ciliate was literally walking on the cover glass, moving its legs. This tiny single-cell organism takes 5 steps per second with its legs. Aspidisca is not the only ciliate genus of walkers. For example, the ciliate Stylonychia can also walk. We captured a collision between a small ciliate and a much larger Stylonychia. In 53 times slowed-down footage, you can see Stylonychia literally stepping back a few micrometers just after impact. But the true microscopic centipede is Ledinotus. Using hundreds of tiny legs, it crawls along the substrate, hunting bacteria and cyanobacteria. Notice the perfect coordination of the tiny legs. All of this is achieved within a single cell, no larger than 100 micrometers. This discovery prompts us to think, if a single-celled organism can coordinate its movements so flawlessly, what other hidden mechanisms of nature have we yet to uncover? Perhaps even the smallest creatures hold secrets that surpass our imagination.